Thank you for your interest in my book, LEAD ID&C Exam Guide and Mock Exam. This book is a combo book. It combines the information for the other two books, which is LEAD ID&C Mock Exam and LEAD ID&C Exam Guide. Okay, so this is a combo book. It's more expensive, but it's a better deal. This book is broken into several chapters. The first chapter is overall exam preparation strategies. You know, for example, I'll give you some tips like when you study for exam, when you study something new, when do you need to study for the second time or review it? The best time is use a rule called 30-60, which means if you read something new, if you review it right away, it's not going to help you. You need to review the second time, 30 minutes, between 30 minutes or 16 hours after you read it for the first time. That's why we call it 30-16 rule. This is very important. It will help you memorize the information easily. And then the second chapter is some generic information of all the LEAD systems, including LEAD BDNC, LEAD O&M, LEAD ID&C, LEAD Home, that kind of system, because you need to have some generic understanding of the LEAD system for other LEAD systems to pass the first portion of the LEAD ID&C exam, which is the LEAD Green Associate exam. And then chapter 3 is back to the main subject. It's an introduction to the LEAD AP ID&C exam, talk about the exam format and the scope of work and all the information related to the LEAD AP ID&C system. Chapter 4 is the meat and potato. It's a technical review. It reviews the information for each of the main category for the LEAD ID&C system, including SS, which stands for Sustainable Science, WE, which stands for Water Efficiency, and EA, which stands for Energy and Atmosphere, and MR, which stands for Material and Resource, and IEQ, which stands for Indoor Environmental Quality, and ID, which means Innovation and Design Process, and then RP, Regional Priority, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the categories that you have, okay? And then chapter 5 is summary and review table. And chapter 6 is including 40 sample questions, 20 for LEAD GA exam and 20 for the special exam, plus another 200 question mock exam, 100 question mock exam for the LEAD GA exam, and then another 100 question mock exam for the LEAD ID&C specialty exam. And then chapter 7 is the frequently asked questions of FAQ. Do I need to read the reference guide from cover to cover? How much time do I need to prepare for the LEAD ID&C exam and so on? If you study this book, you should be able to pass the LEAD ID&C exam easily. This is a combo book. It combines the LEAD ID&C exam guide and LEAD ID&C mock exam into one book. So this is probably a better deal for you guys. Thank you very much.